Welcome to Mrik Auto with a new vlog. So this we got 2006. It's a Ford Ranger. Came from another shop. It got number 2 misfire, and they changed the spark plugs, coils. They did their best, but end up coming here. So now we ran a compression test on this. Number 2 is just making 40 to 50 psi. So the idle for this truck is somewhere around 110 to 130, 35. So number 2 is bad. So what that means is either we need to rebuild the partial engine or we need to swap it. We'll give the option to our customer. Let's see how they're going to say. Most of the time, we swap these ones because these are pretty notorious with low compressions. So the best way to figure it out is find an engine with the low kilometers. Then we're going to make a swap. So that's what's going to happen to this thing. Morning, we got 3 different cars with the same issue. Let's move to the next car. Alrighty, so we got this number 2 from dealership. So that's our regular client's car. It got some error codes, engine light pops up. So we advised the car was under warranty to go to the dealer. So I go to the dealer. What dealer did, they make a big code of almost 4 grand, and they changed one fuse on that thing. It was a problem with one of the brake booster sensor. So they changed the fuse, the sign goes away, but the engine light was still on the clusters. So they didn't even bother to remove the light, and they charged customer 200 and something for inspection and didn't clear it up. And they mentioned some tire repair, ball joints, which my customer wasn't supposed to be there for that jobs. So again, the customer was helpless on this situation, and he bring back to us, and we take care, we remove the codes, and now it's back to normal. Let's move to the next car. So we got third and 20 rebuilt in a row. So this is 2015 428i, and we got a brand new. Customer wants the brand new piston rings, brand new crank, and brand new cams on top. So see this, it's a brand new BMW piston for N20. Here is a block for the N20 engine, so it's half of done. Crank is already inside with the generals, and this is the older crank. So this bearing got spun. That's a connecting rod bearing. So we need to change all the pistons because BMW sell it in a set. So we have to replace all 4 pistons. So these are the brand new bearings, but this doesn't work on this crank because it's a size difference. So now we are going to collect this residue from 2 N20s. They are kind of 2 different N20 motors open here, and we're going to make it one. So half of the stuff is installed. We are preparing the head. Hopefully it's going to be in the vehicle. So we got this beautiful 2016. It's a 428i. And you know the weather is got changed. So this car got a problem with the thermostat. So it comes with an electronic thermostat. Most of the BMWs near after 2012, they come with an electronic thermostat and electronic water pump. So this thing is a beast. It's like just hit the 60 Ks on it. And one of the kind rims I see, very nice stands on the car. And we replace the thermostat with this, with the brand new 2 jugs of coolant. Most likely when we replacing the thermostat, we drain the all coolant because the coolant is kind of dirty and it wasn't reusable. So this car is ready for customer to pick it up and move to the next car. So we got this notorious beautiful Jag XF 3-liter supercharged, the most common engine in the Range Rovers. So this engine have common problems when it comes to the weather changing. So this is the second car of this vlog with the same problem: thermostat leaking real bad with a water pump. And also this 3-liter have a recalls on most of the crossover coolant pipes. So there's a two different pipes. The top one Land Rover updated, so this customer already updated the part, still it's leaking. So uh, customer want to fix it up and get rid of this headache. And when the customer is in trouble, the only way to go is Mrik. So he come to us and we are going to change the crossover pipes on this, water pump and thermostat. So if you guys have any of the 3 liters, 5 liters supercharge, you are feel free to give us a call for your any Jag Land Rover needs. We'll happy to help you out with that. You know where to come, Mrik Auto. So we got the final car on the vlog. This car is the third one come from a dealership. So this thing got a problem as the TFSIs are more notorious with oil burning issues. So this car burns almost a liter oil in a week. And the customer who drives this car, he just loved this car because he just owned this car from last 15 years. And he was pretty loyal to the dealership guys. So he got the burning problem. He go to the dealership and the dealership advised him to buy the new car. So he got pissed off with that thing and he don't want to buy a new car because he told me like he's emotionally attached with the car, which makes a sense. Like I have this M3, I own it from a decade and I love it. I will like to fix it rather than just trade in and buy a new M3. No, this is the favorite and this is the last good E46 chassis. You can do turbo or supercharge on this engine. It's a beautiful car, a lot of emotions from long time. Same with this customer. So then he just checked it out on Google, our best friend, and he come to our shop. We did a bore scope on this car and we did the compression. Compression is little low on two of the cylinders, number 3 and number 6. But the problem on these cars are mostly on the pistons. So the piston rings on this car sucks long time ago. So in order to fix it, we need to buy a bunch of like set of pistons and piston rings. So we are going to make another rebuild, and it's not 2-liter TFSI. This is a 3-liter TFSI turbocharge. So let's see how it goes. You're gonna see in the coming videos complete top to bottom rebuild on this beautiful Audi A6. And if you want more videos on Audis, BMWs, Jags or Mercedes, you can subscribe our channel and press a bell icon. Follow for more watching excited content. Thank you so much.